Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30S, and today I'm going to show you how to get access to the developer options on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the about phone, and here you have to find this line MIUI version, and you have to tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now a developer. And now you can find your developer options in the additional settings, and here they are, developer options. Get access to them and get to know with them by yourself. As you can see, there's pretty much of these developer options here, and you can also disable them here and they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.